So 10,000 checklist. Smoke belts are on. Cool belts.
Secure left.
Secure right. Speed's good. APU confirm.
Confirm.
November 85 Golf Mike, contact when the approach on 128.6.
128.6, good day, 85 Golf Mike.
Thanks.
Okay, good start. Hydraulics 12 o'clock. Avionics set for the approach. Waiting for bleeds.
Okay.
Swapping blades.
Okay.
$10,000 checklist complete.
November 150 Mike Bravo, contact approach 3372.
3372, 0 Mike Bravo. Miami approach, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo. Tiki 3, 6,400, then expecting 10 right, information Golf.
50 Mike Bravo, speed 250 till bunker, cross bunker 5,000, clear now, 10 right.
250 until bunker, cross bunker 5,000, clear ILS, 10 right, 0 Mike Bravo.
142, speed 110, regarded to Lorry.
250 until bunker, bunker 5, that's clear for the ILS.
Okay.
Red 142, 170 Lorry, 120.2.
10.2 Sparings, 142.
It's M43, speed 170 to Lorry, kind of gets on 120.2.
Roger.
Spirit 743, reduce speed to 170 to Lorry, 120.2.
170 to Lorry and 20.2 for Tower, Fairway 743.
אוקיי, שהוא אומר, אני רק שווה פחות. אוקיי, אז רק בבנקר זה הר, נכון, מבחינת זה, כן, מה אתה
כן,
טוב?
ושם אתה clear for the approach.
שם אני יכול ללחוץ approach.
approach, spare wings 239 is at a 5 per 4, and then we'll slow to 210.
239, thank you. Descend to maintain 3000.
So maintain 3000, spare wings 239.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, speed 210 or greater to blame.
210 or greater till blame. 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay. Okay. Flaps 10.
Flaps 10.
At blame. Light swap green. הגובה להליכה סביב.
2000.
Right, 239 to left, 180, descend to maintain 2000.
Heading 180, and then at 2000, spare wings 239.
Flaps 20.
Flaps 20.
Right, 239, reduce speed 170.
Slow to 170, spare wings 239.
Mike Bravo, speed 170 or greater to 5 out. Jet traffic behind you.
170 or greater until 5 miles out. 0 Mike Bravo.
Mike Bravo, 10-120.2.
22. 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay. 170.
Lauderdale Tower leaving Challenger 150 Mike Bravo. ILS 10 right. Parking shelter.
November 150, Mike Bravo for Lauderdale Tower. Traffic center 1 mile final. Just use caution, but activity is reported west of the field between 3 and 500 feet. Runway 10 right, clear to land.
10 right, clear to land. 0 Mike Bravo.
November 2, Juliet Whiskey, and
Clear to land.
we're unable to hard rock due to inbound aircraft. So if you need a maneuver, it's going to be south of Sterling. Not Griffin, south of Sterling.
Yeah, I think I'm confused with Griffin. So, okay, we'll be around the guitar here and 2 Juliet Whiskey.
November 2, Juliet Whiskey, I need you south
down to
of the guitar at all times.
South of the guitar all time, 2 Juliet Whiskey.
זה הגיטרה בטח.
Okay.
Tower, spare wings 239, ILS 10 right.
Students at 239 Lauderdale Tower, your number 2, runway 10 right, clear to land. Use caution, bird activity reported west of the field between 3 and 500 feet.
Alright, clear to land 10 right, and we'll be on the lookout for wings 239.
Stearns at 743, continue down to the next intersection to join Juliet, hold short of Hotel 5 and remain on this frequency. Juliet, hold short of Hotel 5 and stay with you, sparing 743. November 150, Mike Bravo, traffic at your 2 o'clock at 2 miles. Maneuvering is a helicopter around the Hard Rock out of below 500, south of your final at all times.
Traffic inside. 0 Mike Bravo. Thanks.
Springs 239, traffic at
no,
your 2 o'clock and 4.5 miles is a helicopter 400 feet orbiting at the Hard Rock, remaining south of your runway at all times.
Spare wings 239, traffic inside.
30.
Laps full. Following checklist. Gear down 3 greens.
I see 3 greens.
Laps 30.
30.
Air landing clearance. All lights are on. Following checklist complete.
Okay.
Pinoy is smaller.
Okay.
Ground, good evening. November 885 Golf Mike vacating on Delta. Request taxi to Atlantic.
Sprint at 743, contact the ramp. Good day.
Contact ramp, throwing 743.
Stabilize. Okay. Active boat. Okay, protect the autopilot.
One 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Spoilers deployed. Reversers green. .65 knots.
קח את השני.
Roger.
November 150 Mike Bravo, first available left turn please, traffic's inside 1.5 miles final.
Vacating left, Juliet 80 Mike Bravo.
November 150 Mike Bravo, thank you, join Juliet, and then you can contact ground control 121.4.
Left on Juliet 1214, thanks, 0 Mike Bravo.
Okay. Juliet.
After landing, checklist complete, flaps coming up, left Juliet, we're switching ground. Ground, good evening, Challenger 150, Mike Bravo, vacated left, Juliet 8, Juliet to shelter.
November 150 Mike Bravo, Fort Lauderdale, ground, taxi via Quebec Hotel Lima.
Quebec Hotel Lima, Juliet 150 Mike Bravo.
Quebec. Hotel.
Flaps forward, now set.
Quebec. ימינה.
Left engine minor
Quebec.
fault, Roger. Quebec Hotel Lima.
Okay. זה הוטל 5, והבא אחריו זה קוויבק,
נכון, ואז
אז מיד שמאלה הוטל, ואז
ימינה.
לימה.
נכון.
אוקיי, קוויבק, מיד שמאלה הוטל,
ימינה כי.
אז מיד ימינה בלי.
Fort Lauderdale ground, good evening, United 1937 with Golf, taxiing on Tango, hold short Tango 4.
United 1937 Fort Lauderdale, ground runway 10 left, taxi via Charlie.
10 left via Charlie, United 1937.
Shelter.
בחור שם? עליו.
כן, אתה יכול לכבות את
כבוי.
זה. נראה לי שהוא רוצה ש...
רגע, תיכנס מולו.
יכול להיות.